Hello and welcome to Data Engineering Explorers, and today we're going to explore writing data in S3 with Python. So here we have the S3 free tier. That's the one we're going to use today. Just showing a bit about the free tier. And you have to create an AWS account and find the Amazon S3 service and create a bucket. For this, we're not going to worry about configurations. We're only going to create the default configurations. If you have more specific requirements, please look into that, but remember that can be costly. So create a bucket, and we're going to upload data to this bucket. You can do it manually like that, but that's not quite interesting, right? So we're going to automate the uploading of data with Python, but to do that we have to first manage the access to AWS resources, because S3 is AWS resource. And the first step is creating a user. I'm gonna go through the just basic configuration, also default. You have some possibility on permissions, adding to user group, changing password, required password reset. Then we have our user, and you're going to go to security credentials, and we're going to create an access key. And here we're going to say that we're going to use for local code, and we're going to create that. You have to click the understand above. You can use tags. That's interesting for understanding your billing, and you have to save this information. You can download it as a CSV. Sorry, but then you have to save that information, because it won't appear again, the secret key ID. And you're going to add permissions to this user. We could have done that while creating, but I wanted to do that after. You're going to attach a policy directly, and you're going to search S3 and attach the S3 full access. Remember, that's going to give like full access, writing, deleting, and etc. So be careful with that. So you have your role access. So here we have the code for uploading it. You have just few libraries that are important for that. You have Boto to create the session, and then AWS Wrangler to write the data. And you have the .env, so you put your credentials outside your code, such as I am showing you. This is not the most secure, but it's more secure than you placing your credentials in your code. So let's run that code. You have here your bucket, and you're going to run your code, and this code is only a part of it. You have the extraction above, as you can see, and I'm gonna link it down below so you have access to that. But then you just refresh it, and your data is there. This part of the code is part of this project that shows possibility on data platform and one ETL. So I'm gonna link it down below too if you are interested on that. Thank you so much for your view, and I hope to see you here again. If you liked, please give it a like, subscribe, and follow us on our social media. Thank you.